Welcome to my channel, everybody. I have 4 projects for you today, and I have to admit I've been feeling a bit discouraged. I know I just have to keep on going, but it's hard when you work so hard and you don't see any reward from it. But I'm going to keep on going, guys. I'm going to keep trying. Anyway, this first project, it's called a monkey fist. Now, I just kept calling it a knot, but it's actually called a monkey fist. And what you do, first of all, is you make a loop, and then you wrap it around your fingers twice, as you can see me doing there. Then you slide it off, and then you wrap it 3 more times through these holes. So you're going to go like horizontal, vertical, horizontal. And you could see me just putting it through these holes, and I'm going to do 3 rows. It's really quite easy. There's nice, slow tutorials on YouTube just for the monkey fist, but I had to speed it up to fit it into my 4 project video. So, again, after I slide it off my fingers and I make the 3rd part of it. Now I'm going to find, you see me looking, I'm trying to find where I started. And then you're just going to pull and make the knot tighter. You're just going to keep pulling and go around. See me pulling that string? Just keep pulling each string. Sorry, guys, it's a fire engine. You're going to keep pulling the strings, and you'll see it makes it tighter. And you're going to go around until you get every string. And you'll see it'll form into a ball. I want to try a bigger one, and with this one, there's nothing in the middle but a knot. In the bigger ones, you would put like a styrofoam ball or a rubber ball in the middle and then wrap it around it. I'm going to try a bigger one. You can make curtain pullbacks. You can make just designs for your table like the beaded garlands. You can make beaded garlands and put these on the end of it. I just think they're so cute, and I always wanted to make one. So I finally did. You'll notice with me, I just find things that I like to make, and I make them. That's it. Now you'll see after it gets really tight, I just keep pulling. And you'll get the hang of it. This is my first one. I even make another one after this, and it turned out really good. So here's my finished project, guys. So, as you read in my title, these are all 5-minute DIYs. Now, that last one was probably the longest one. So now, this is something else I've always wanted to make. And you'll see these all over YouTube. It's just a bowl with a little bowl or jar underneath it. So I take these 2 items that I get at Dollar Tree. I spray them. And then I glue them together. So then I was like, well, I wonder what I should put in it. I mean, you could put it on your table and put fruit in it, because I didn't spray the inside. You could pretty much do whatever you want, but I figured I would decorate it for Easter. So I found these eggs in my stash that I got from Dollar Tree last year, and they even came in a little carton, you'll see right there. So cute. I never even opened them. And I just put some raffia in the bowl, and then I set the eggs in there. Wow, there's someone fighting at the store out my window. I'm so sorry, I got distracted. So I apologize, guys. I don't know if you could hear that, but there was an argument outside my window at the store next to my house. People just can't be nice. They just can't. And they're probably arguing over something really stupid. Okay, back to the projects. So here's my finished project, guys. So project number 3, guys. This is really quick and easy as well. There's a couple parts to it, though. Okay, so I found this scrap wood in my stash, and I just painted it white. I saw this on Pinterest, I believe. And then I made some bunny ears out of cardboard. First, I made a template. I copied it off the internet. I just put my piece of paper on the computer and traced it. Then I just put some Mod Podge on the ears and put some fabric on it. Now, I wasn't real happy. I love this fabric, but I wasn't real happy about how these turned out. Maybe I used too much Mod Podge. I don't know. But it seemed to darken the fabric. And it kind of shone through. I don't know. You'll see. Okay, so I just do this I make 4 ears, and I do this to all 4 ears. I'm running out of Mod Podge, so I'm trying to use it sparingly. I'm trying to get every drop out of the bottle. I'm sure everybody's been through this before. So after I'm done Mod Podging the fabric on, I cut around the edges and cut all the excess fabric off. Now, I feel that the bunny ears are not finished. I don't like the edge. So I'm just putting some macrame cord, because it's white, around the edges. I just put some hot glue and wrap the macrame cord around it, and then cut off the excess. So here you see I made the word Easter on my silhouette cameo, and I put 1 letter on each block. I put the bunny ears on the top, up 2 of the blocks, and here's my finished project. Project number 4, guys. Super, probably the easiest one. Now, what I haven't seen a lot, and probably because I have to go on that specific channel, is people using their silhouette cameo to cut cardstock. So I figured I'd give it a try. I had this beautiful sparkly cardstock. I cut it out of an egg and put it in the frame. Bing, bang, boom. Here's my finished project. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I could really use the support. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.